regard, freedom is more important than money. That is the concept what the freedom fighter. Could you please applaud him? Welcome! Bajao! Free Tibet! Thank you.
Wow, what a warm welcoming. I want to start with, as you guys see, I don't have any papers because I want to speak from the heart. Because it is important, you know. When I first heard about this event, I got so excited, and I was like, "How can I come?" You know, and I came from all the way from New York, all the way from America, just to be with you guys, and I'm really honored to be with you today because today is not only important for you, important for me too. Um, you know, I'm honored to be here because when I was a little kid, I actually grew up as a His Holiness fan. I was following his message because it was very inspiring and it was touching my heart every time. And when I get to MBA, right, I started to speak up about some of the problems that are happening in our world. In my home country, Turkey, unfortunately, it's a dictatorship. And just because of I talk about the problems that are happening over there, I lost my family. They put my dad in jail. And I started to speak up about the problems that are happening in Turkey. But then, because of the message of His Holiness, I was like, I wanted to stand up for the innocent Tibetans around the world. And NBA didn't like that because unfortunately, NBA is run by the Chinese Communist Party. When I started to speak up about, for Tibetans, my agent, my basketball agent called me and said, if you say another word, if you keep speaking up for Tibetans, you are going to be kicked out of the NBA. You are 29 years old. You can play another 7 years. And he said, 7 years means close to $60 million. So if you want to keep standing up for Tibetans, go ahead. But you're not only going to lose your career, but you are going to lose close to $60 million. I hang up the phone. I never talked to him again. Because while I was comfortably playing basketball in America, on the other side of the world, people, you Tibetans, are losing their loved ones, losing their lives, and losing their homes. I wanted to set an example for all my teammates. And unfortunately, they didn't have the courage to speak up. But I don't want to speak too much because you guys have lots of amazing speakers. The last thing I want to say is every Tibetan born as a freedom fighter, and keep doing what you're doing. Never ever give up. That's the most important thing. Never ever give up. I know that your voice is heard from America, from Canada, Europe, Australia, Pacifics, and all over the world. Every community that I visited, every Tibetan community I visited, gives me the warmest welcome, and it inspires me to become a better person. And I just want to say one last thing. Unfortunately, as you guys see, we have lots of wars are happening around the world. And so many innocent people, so many kids, and so many women and elderly people are dying. If every world leader follows the peaceful message of His Holiness, every world war will stop. And that is important to keep speaking up and keep inspiring people because the message of His Holiness will save this world. So, thank you guys so much for inviting me. I would like to call you guys as my brothers and sisters because now you guys are my family. And I'm one of you guys and you're one of me guys. And remember this, remember these words. One day, I hope soon, one day, we will all be in Tibet and we will eat momo together. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Free Tibet.
Free
Thank you.
Tibet! Thank you
We
so
have
much.
Kada.
Now we have also a kata as a thank you to show our respect. Thank you so much.